So get this, it all started with a home video of a guy standing in front of elephants at the San Diego Zoo. Apparently, he liked their really, really long trunks. He and his buddies had no idea just how much the masses would love this video post. Today, we call it YouTube. Our next guests are tapping into the power of these new digital technologies at Open World Learning, also known as OWL. Here with more, Lucy Jays and Tim Klein. Nice to have you both on the show. So, Miss Lucy, talk about why Open World was started.
Yeah, Open World Learning was founded 16 years ago in order to address the digital divide between students living at or below the poverty line and their peers in the Denver area.
So that's the basic mission?
Yeah, well, the mission of Open World Learning is to support children's school success by tapping into these digital technologies and then to develop leadership and ignite a love of learning.
Wonderful. I love that you offer this. And Tim, which types of computer and technology skills do participants learn?
We teach kids real programming skills.
Yeah.
So they're 3rd to 6th graders and they're learning to program with technology developed at MIT. So it's real graphical user interfaces and code and geometry and math.
I bet there were some pretty cool creations from your students.
There's a lot. This year there's been a lot of Bronco projects. Everybody liked the Broncos winning the Super Bowl.
Yes.
My very favorite is probably a project by a student whose mom is a baker. And she's made an excellent demonstration of baking a cake in the computer, a simulation.
Wow.
It's very cool with all the ingredients and ovens and timers.
It's amazing what you can do with that technology.
It's pretty cool. The kids can do some amazing stuff.
Kids know more than parents these days, which is crazy. You have an event called the Tech Fair. It's coming up at the end of April.
Yeah, so we have 11 elementary school teams competing. There'll be 3 kids on each team, and it's just a coding challenge, a series of 5 questions. They get harder each time. And it's really exciting to watch. These kids are really good coders. And they can come up with solutions right in the second. It's pretty neat.
Do you offer summer camps?
We do. So we have 8 or 9 summer camps this year, 3 of them in the local colleges. We're going to do some really cool stuff with robotics and, of course, the programming too. And there's a little bit of movie making and digital photography.
Oh, that's fantastic. So something for everyone.
And also swimming pools and museums.
Just the fun stuff too.
Yeah.
And Lucy, as a parent, there's tax benefits too if you send your child there.
Right, so enrolling your child in an Open World Learning summer camp qualifies you for the dependent care credit if you are a working parent. And depending on your individual situation, this could result in up to a 35% deduction on the cost of that camp.
Wow, that's wonderful. Yeah. And so how do they get signed up for the summer camps?
You can enroll through our website, which is openworldlearning.org. And enrollment's open at Regis University, Metro State University, and University of Denver locations.
Okay, so a lot of locations, a lot of options there. Tim, let's go back to the Tech Fair. What will some of the parents and the students see there?
So the parents get to cheer their kids on. I have a team in the Tech Fair. So I can't help them during the event, but I can coach them in between.
Good.
And they do interesting like geometric challenges, drawing certain shapes. And it's all from memory, just to test what they've learned over the last year.
My goodness.
It's very exciting.
What
cool.
else will be seen?
So then the first one's art. We ask them how well they can draw. It's usually a draw a rocket, or one year it was your team mascot. They get a lot of points for working well together and having team spirit.
Good.
In addition to the coding.
And when is it?
April 30th from 10 to 2 at Industry Denver.
Okay, well, thank you so much for giving us a sneak peek. There's a lot of opportunities there for our kiddos. To learn more about Open World Learning's work in Denver Metro schools, the Tech Fair, or upcoming summer camps, please visit this web address. Go to openworldlearning.org. That's openworldlearning.org. This organization creates possibilities throughout technology.